Heavy rainfall in Maharashtra's Western Ghats has triggered flood-like conditions along the Karnataka-Maharashtra border, disrupting road connectivity in parts of Belgavi district. Floodwaters from the Vedaganga and Dudganga rivers have crossed the danger mark and submerged three key bridges in Nipani Taluk. Road links to several villages in Nipani, Chikodi and Kagawad have been cut off. The Kardadaga Bhoj Bridge over the Dudganga has completely gone underwater. The Barawat Kannur and Bhojawadi Gajbalwadi bridges over the Vedaganga have also been submerged. In neighbouring Maharashtra, the Rajapur Jugal Bridge has been inundated, affecting cross-border movement. The local administration has advised people not to enter flooded rivers and has urged farmers to keep their livestock away from low-lying areas. Meanwhile, continuous rain in Maharashtra's Amboli forest has increased inflows into the Ghattaprabha river. The Hitkal reservoir has recorded a 2-foot rise in water level in the last 24 hours and is receiving an inflow of 5,377 cusses. Heavy rainfall in Khanapur has also swollen the Pandari river, while the Malaprabha reservoir is receiving 622 cusses of inflow. The increase is expected to provide much needed relief to the Renukasagar reservoir, the main drinking water source for Hubli and Dharwad.